Okay, guys, Ian and I are going to do a food eating contest using tortillas, 2 bananas, and chocolate sauce. I'm going to wrap it up my own way. See, look at that. Look at that right there.
Oh.
Okay, I'm going to wrap it up.
Perfect.
Syrup,
right.
banana.
On your mark. Get set. Go. This might take a couple minutes.
This tastes nasty.
I haven't tasted the banana yet. I'm about to swallow for the first time. Uh-oh.
I'm going to throw it right here.
Ooh. Tastes kind of like barf.
Chocolate-y barf. Oh, crap.
What? Cheater! Okay.
Oh, my God.
Really, this isn't a good recipe. Okay.
Okay.
Oh.
Second bite.
Don't choke, boy. Ew. That's disgusting.
We forgot the napkins.
Yeah. Alright, third bite.
Oh. Don't I can eat this.
This really isn't good.
Oh my. Oh.
Oh.
I don't feel too good.
Neither do I. It goes down really bad.
Banana and chocolate.
Need more chocolate. Okay. It's actually a pretty tight match. Except for the tortilla's getting soggy.
I don't have a freaking napkin.
Well, then go get a freaking napkin.
No, I'm going to lose him.
This tastes really bad.
Major, I am in the lead. Oh God, I'm bad.
You can do the chocolate sauce. If you're gonna throw up, at least make it to the grass or your yard. Don't. Dang. Look at that. Cameron! Dang. Oh, he threw up. Let's see that, Cameron.